For this question, they said L is -2, N is -3, and M is 4. Evaluate M plus N L, or N times L divided by N minus M. So the formula that they gave us was M plus N L over N minus M. Now M is 4 plus NL, which is -3 multiplied by -2, all over N, which is -3, minus M, which is 4. Now we're going to do the top section first. So 4 plus negative 10 negatives. Remember these two in brackets, we're going to multiply them. Negative 10 negative is positive, and 3 times 2 is 6, all over. We have -3 minus 4. So at the top we have 10. 4 plus 6, 10, divided by, we have two negative numbers. So what we're going to do, we're going to add them and keep the negative sign. So it's -7. So now this -7, or this negative sign, we can either write it in line of the division sign, or we can put it at the top. It doesn't really matter. That's the answer for that one. Now the second one we have on the paper, we have A equals 4, B equals -3, C equals 12. We're supposed to evaluate A squared times 2B minus C. So A, remember A is 4 squared bracket 2 times B, which is -3, minus C, which is 12. Now 4 squared, remember we did this in a previous video, 4 squared is 16, times 2 times -3 is -6, -12. Now we can apply distributive law. So 16 times 6, -6, 16 times -12, or we could follow BOOMDAS and do in the brackets first. No, -6 plus -12, or -6 minus 12 is -18, and we're going to multiply it by 16. Now remember, in the exam we can use our calculator, so we can write 16 times -18, which is -288. That's the answer for this question. We can go ahead and do the third question, where L is -2, M is 3, and N is 7. So evaluate LM times M minus N, which is L is -2 multiplied by M, which is 3, open bracket, this big bracket here, M, which is 3, minus N, which is 7. So -2 times 3 is -6, this section outside of bracket, the bracket here. Then 3 minus 7 is -4. Then we multiply, negative times negative is positive, 6 4s, 24, or 4 6s, 24. So that would be the answer. Let's see if we can squeeze in a third question here. With this one, they said find the value of P if 3 is a root of 5x squared minus px minus 18 equal to 0. Now, when they said 3 is a root, what they mean is that roots are x values. Roots are x values, so that means x is equal to 3. So wherever I see x in this equation, I'm going to put 3. So it's going to be 5x squared minus px minus 18 equals to 0. So remember, x is what? X is 3. So it's 5 times 3 squared minus p times 3 minus 18 equals to 0. So 3 squared is 9. 9 times 5 minus 3 times p is 3p minus 18 equals to 0. Now 9 5 is 45 minus 3p minus 18 equal to 0. Now we can collect like terms. So we have minus 3p minus 18 plus 45 equals to 0. As I said, in the exam you can use a calculator. So minus 18 plus 45 will give us 27. So we're going to have minus 3p plus 27 equal to 0. We're going to bring this 27 over the equal sign. Remember, we need to solve a p. It's positive on this side. When it goes, we return negative. So minus 3p is equal to negative 27. We need to divide both sides by negative 3. Negative 3. 3 cancel 3. Negative divided negative is positive. So p is equal to negative divided by negative is positive. 3 into 27 goes 9. So p is equals to 9 for this one. P is equal to 9.